Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I've built a very beautiful, very amazing looking setup. I cannot wait to share it with you. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Also, my Amazon storefront will be listed in the description under this video as well. Check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. Here's what I am planning to use in today's video. Today I am working with three colors, working with Tuftex and Sempertex in Cameo, White Sand, and Stone colors, 5, 11, 17, 24 inch sizes of balloons, and also working with these beautiful Caddy Cameo Tuftex balloons. Super excited for these. Also, one thing that I am planning to use for today's setup, haven't shipped to my house yet. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, so excited to reveal that too. Here's what I'm doing. Grabbing my 11-inch balloons and inflating them into different sizes. Next step is absolutely totally up to you. You can press your balloons against the table to get them more rounder shape, and once you've done that, tie your balloons into a pair as close as possible. As you can see, I can barely pull them apart because we will need these necks of balloons to construct our balloon garland later on. I will be mixing 17-inch balloons with 11-inch balloons, or just grab 17 and inflate them at the same time and make a pair out of them. This is what I will be doing right now. 17, let's inflate. Are ready. I will be including 4 pairs of balloons in this cluster. 4 pairs of balloons will give you bigger cluster of balloons. If you want to start off with the smaller clusters, then combine 3 pairs of balloons together. Why? Once in a while I like to use bigger clusters of balloons, because bigger clusters of balloons will give you a very luscious, big, beautiful base in your balloon garland. If you want something more skinnier and not as fluffy as you build your balloon garland in the beginning, then go with 3 pairs of balloons combined in one cluster. So 2 pairs, and intertwine them together into a quad like this. Then grab your 3rd pair and add into your quad by intertwining balloons nice and tight. And last but not least, 17-inch pair of balloons. Intertwine with your 11-inch balloons. And here you have a bigger cluster of balloons. I will be repeating this process with every single color that I have here. I will be making also smaller clusters of balloons and quads. Quads, 2 pairs together, smaller cluster, 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together. So let's inflate balloons and I'll be right back soon. Hey guys, this is the next day. My package finally came. I've been waiting since early morning, and right now it's about close to 4 o'clock. I have this TeePee that I am so excited to unpack. I got it from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description under this video. Let's construct this. My clusters together, I will be using necks from balloons. So reaching in, finding that neck, again, 2nd cluster, reaching in, pulling that neck, finding that neck, and then tying these 2 necks together. And this is how I will be constructing the whole thing with necks of balloons. So keep tying clusters together. You can start by constructing the base for your balloon garland, a really long one, and then attach extra ones by using, again, necks of balloons, and add more and more clusters and more balloons. or you can work with bigger clusters like these. I call them mini balloon garlands. It's up to you. Today, I feel like I will be working with mini balloon garlands like these. Next step is construction of this setup. So I really wanted to wait for this TeePee to arrive because I see the placement of it, and now I will understand better where my balloons needs to go and where I want to go with the balloons heavier than anywhere else. So I want to start with probably somewhere on the side. So I will be connecting these two together by tying necks of balloons. I like the placement. I'm gonna add more balloons to it to fluff it up. I am using my fishing line, my scissors, and I am simply tying balloons to the green wall in the back. This is basically what I will be doing for the rest of this setup. I will be connecting my clusters by the necks of balloons. I will be adding extra balloons and clusters to this side. I will play around on this side, see how many balloons I want to have on the backdrop and what I want to go for. So this is the time for your creativity. Let's go. Last but not least, the final touch will be our florals. I am so excited to spruce this up with all of this. Let's go. You know me, you know that I cannot stand anything wrinkly what comes to decor, wedding decor, party decor, or any other setups that I am doing. So I am using my handy hand steamer and I am steaming out all the wrinkles, and I will be tying these doors just like this, just to see the pillows inside. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. And if you really enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed what I created, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate every single one of them. Alright, you guys, I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!